Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lag and boost FPS in the finals. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started with the steps to improve performance. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Launch the game and go to Settings, then Video Settings. Make the following changes. Set window mode to full screen and then set the resolution to 1024 by 768. Disable VSync. Change the resolution upscale method to AMD FSR2 or the equivalent in NVIDIA and set it to ultra performance. Reduce field of view to 70 for better performance. Set overall quality level to low. Try running the game now. You should notice smoother gameplay and a significant FPS boost. If the performance is still not satisfactory, experiment with different upscale methods to find the one that works best for your PC. Step 2 is to edit the config file. Search for %local app data %. Locate the folder Discovery, then Saved, then Config, then Windows Client. Open the file Game User Settings with Notepad. Make the following changes. Under Scalability Groups, set resolution quality to 40 and all the other values to 0. Add the two commands provided in the video description here. Save the file and set it to read only to log the changes. Now relaunch the game. These changes will ensure it runs on the lowest settings. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.